Little dirty dog. Where them over and go? Look how Bruno do the garbage bin. You know I'm gonna kill him today. All the one Rex. Right now my bets. Watch it. Look at them two dog there. How them fasten. Pass to Rockstar the Pelico. But you know what they have sex. Yeah, hold him Pelico, lick him. yeah. That have to back off a Joe grind. I make Milliman find out. Yeah. That have to when the chief bucking last night and you lock your dirty mouth. That have to mess with the garbage. You never know like that. Yeah. What's that for the chicken back? Why you never out of the pot? Yes, Jamaica. A son abused with loyal mongrel dog. And look, see them now? Foreign people take them up and adopt them from the abusive Caribbean yard. A same way I saw on still abuse the LGBT with a mouth, Rockstar knife and gun. And the same way some way escape and come a foreign and file for asylum. A same way the dog them loyal to Uno, but Uno no budget them on no expense. And the same way no use gay people talents and skills and burn them out at no own convenience. Uno think it's hard to give Rex. Uno look a name left chicken bone. But see that now, Rex have on him sweater, on the plane and I'm gonna name him proper dog food and I'm good up foreign home. Tell me something, Jamaica. You're not tired of Shimsha always a foreigner. Go through on a dash as garbage and celebrate it as treasure. Rotted. Then the same way they do Aunt Lou. You're never really proud of the patois till she make it bigger and broader foreign yard and people proud of her language all over. A same when you used to abuse Dalton, same take picture on a boy lap. Then the same hypocrite mouth them was slaughter with Icon when he win the competition and you turn round a clap. Somehow now bandwagon is down there. You don't go support people when them finally make it to the top. And enough time when them up there, you search for the scandal and disgrace to pull them down their back. You the mouth come in like a crosses, like I eat them the nail Jesus pan. Don't fall for them in a Bruno. Remember how them to treat ya? I don't get them fit on. Make them go and live where we vacate. Cause that living is a state. Where half the people them watch show them shade on social media upon foreigner can't even afford the hotel rates. You have some nice Jamaican people. I don't want to talk. Not decent, compassionate people who I love dearly to my heart. But the bad breed one them know themselves. A hunger Rex can't understand when them talk. You will see them in the comments box. How them a go bex and class and bark. The land is green and the sun still shine. But due to the violence and crime, we have to leave all that beauty behind. Jamaica gone to the dogs. Now that them always a say. But now, even the mongrel dog them have them concern. You know, see them a lift up and go away. But I said what I said without apology. And the truth is most times an offense. Look on a mash up Jamaica. Cause you know down there going like you not have no sense. The land is green and the sun still shine. But due to the violence and crime, we have to leave all that beauty behind. Jamaica gone to the dogs. And that them always a say. But now even the mongrel dog them have them concern. You know, see them a lift up and go away.